Varkha Chulani channel. I hope all of you watching are safe and well. Tomorrow, 10th October, is World Mental Health Day. I thought I would do this episode slightly differently by showing you a few clips of the Chief Justice of the United States of America giving a commencement address to his son's boarding school. For me, what he spoke about resonated very, very realistically to what makes for mental health. Because according to me, mental health is nothing but emotional stamina, emotional muscle, emotional robustness. So let's hear him.
From time to time in the years to come, I hope you will be treated unfairly.
So I want you to ponder. Let life be unfair to us, because it is only when we accept that life hasn't promised us a rose garden do we learn the capacity and the ability to deal with this unfairness. But unfortunately, many parents and many people like ourselves as adults delude ourselves to believe that the world is a very fair place. So, the minute we accept unfairness, we build emotional stamina. In fact, all revolutions begin at the pulpit of unfairness.
I hope that you will suffer betrayal.
Yes, you heard right. I wish you betrayal, because in being betrayed, you will learn the value of loyalty. In an age where most relationships are use and abuse, where if we don't really matter to another, we are being discarded at the flick of a switch. Love is eroding, families are disintegrating, bonds and binds are collapsing, friendships are vanishing. And it is only when you and I understand the value of betrayal, because you and me have been ditched in some way or the other, will we be able to develop the emotional muscle and stamina to build, bind, and bond. Nothing is more important than the mental ability to build and hold on to relationships.
Sorry to say, but I hope you will be lonely from time to time.
Yes, in loneliness, you will be able to sit with yourself, because loneliness is more often than not an inability to be at ease with oneself. In loneliness, which is a cultivated quality, one gets an opportunity to reflect, to ponder, and to think. But in this fast-paced world, where all of us are in a rush, so to speak, the idea to sit with oneself and assess is unfortunately a long forgotten one. But how does loneliness help in mental health? Because only when one sits with oneself and ponders, usually one is able to assess the relevant from the irrelevant and sift the wheat from the chaff and keep considering and going towards things which make us happy.
I wish you bad luck again from time to time.
Yes, you heard right. We somehow believe that we are privileged and that God has singled us out for extraordinariness. Unfortunately, nothing can be further from the truth. The more we accept that bad luck is part and parcel of life, similarly in the way that unfairness is, we will be able to keep our chin up and resurrect like the Sphinx to ride above and over it in spite of very trying and challenging circumstances.
I hope you'll be ignored.
In a narcissistic and attention-seeking world, where most people are doing anything to get noticed, I hope we have the emotional capability and stamina to be ignored. Let us learn to be ordinary, because we are just a speck on this wide world canvas of humanity. Most of us, unfortunately, do not accept the insignificance of our existence, and in our need to get attention and in our narcissistic ways to be noticed, sometimes we do things which are quite detrimental to us. So let's rephrase. To develop emotional stamina, emotional muscle, let's accept our ordinariness. Let's give ourselves the permission to be lonely so that we can self-reflect and we can sift the relevant from the irrelevant. More importantly, let's accept unfairness and bad luck as a part and parcel of living, and be able to resurrect like the Sphinx in spite of it. But more importantly, let us value loyalty because we've tasted betrayal and build, bind, and bond. Because at the end of the day, mental health, mental stamina, mental muscle, emotional sturdiness or robustness depends on our ability to get along. Stay well, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for tuning in. If you'd like to write to me, please do write at varkha@varkhacholani.com. Please do hit the like button. Please do share my video and stay well till we meet next week. Good luck and thank you.